Anjana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all might have noticed, I made a new intro for my YouTube and I took a lot of effort in that. So if you liked it, comment down below and tell me you like it, and it's like 10 times better than my previous intro. Today is a super exciting day because I have like a bunch of shopping that I did last month and I did some like recently, and this is kind of like a Diwali haul, but like I did a little bit of shopping like last month also, so it's like a pre-Diwali and like almost Diwali shopping haul. There is like I love everything that I've shopped for. This haul is probably one of my most favorite hauls because all the things are like super cute, super exciting. I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I got new shoes, guys. Okay, like let's just take a moment because I sold my red like Jordan ones and I had to get some other shoe and like return, right? Like if I like lose one shoe, I need to get one back. And this pair is something that I wanted for a very long time and I'm so excited to show you all. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love them. When I do my try on haul, if they look good on any of like the outfits, I will like wear them and show you all how they look. We have some hefty Zara shopping also over here, which you guys are gonna love. Like when I say love, I do not emphasize enough on it. I got 2 bottoms and 2 tops. I'm gonna start with the tops first. I got this like super basic kinda like nude beige top. I got this white top which I actually really love. Super cute. And now for the jeans. Guys, I got green jeans. Can you all actually believe that? Like, I have like a little bit of a tip to give y'all that usually I wear a Euro 34 in my Zara jeans, but particularly for this jeans I tried the Euro 34 and it was like super loose for me, so I waited and I didn't buy it, and then I went to another Zara and I found these in a Euro 32 and they fit me perfectly. Whereas the other jeans that I got, which is these like normal ripped jeans, these are a Euro 34 and these fit me so well. So yeah, I think the best advice that I'd give y'all is that like always don't depend on like only one size that you buy from Zara, because sometimes it can also like matter differently. Like this fit is probably different from this pants fit, that's why that doesn't fit me in a Euro 34. I lost my H&M bag, so I'm not gonna be able to like show you like the H&M bag and everything, but I got this hoodie which is a Rolling Stones hoodie and it's like it says Rolling Stones on the back. So this is a size, it's an XL, I'm sorry, but still it's like not that big for me. The next 2 things that I got are like probably one of my favorite purchases ever. It's this green, like, they're not flare pants, they're just pants. They're like, oh my god, see I've already stained it also. And I got the same pants in white as well. And the best part is I got it in an H&M sale, so I got each of them for 800 bucks. Can you believe it? And they're like amazing. Like I genuinely love them so much. Next thing that I bought, I'm pretty sure y'all must have seen this on my Instagram, is this like blue and white plaid flannel. It's actually a shirt, so you can wear it as a shirt, but again in this one I got a size M because I wanted it to be like super oversized, and you know, because it's like a thin cotton material, I can just like wear it outside when I'm wearing like a singlet or a crop top or something, and it's like super like versatile. Okay guys, last but not the least, I got some treats from Adidas because I did a shoot for them, so I had a voucher and I could buy like something from the voucher. So I got this cute little Adidas bag. I really like it because it's like big and I can keep my laptop, and like, you know, just in case when I'm like traveling and stuff, it's like a great like, now there's like all the kachra is still inside. I haven't even like used it yet. And then I got some socks. There's like a third pair. So yeah, socks are like a necessity. But yeah guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't do a shopping haul after a very long time. I just did one a month ago, but I just feel like this was one of my most like favorite shopping hauls. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like my new intro because I'm like super excited to put it in my new video. And yeah, if I will try to find all the links to all these clothes and put it in the description, but if I don't, again, I bought everything in store, so you should go to the store and check it out. But yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and have a fun vlog for the next week. And also I told you all I'll be consistent, and here I am with another video. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time.